Now, your ABC 7 First Alert Weather Forecast with meteorologist John Scalzi.
74-degree air temperature, dew point coming in at 72. It's a nice start to the day, not a whole lot of rainfall around. We have some slightly drier air trying to work its way in thanks to an easterly wind flow that'll reduce the number of showers that we get this afternoon. But the easterly wind will also kind of push the shower activity a little bit closer to the coastline today as opposed to where it was yesterday, which was mostly in inland areas. 10% chance of rainfall through the morning rush. Then we'll look for a chance of rainfall slowly increasing through the afternoon with daytime heating, but only to about 30% or so as we head into the afternoon, about 3 p.m. when we get maximum heating. And we'll top it out today pretty close to the 90-degree mark, I think. By 3 p.m. we'll have about 87. 86 by 7 p.m., 20% chance of rainfall then as the heating of the day starts to fade. We still have some flood watches up for some area rivers, though they're just a little bit above bankful. Minor flooding being reported. Not much in the way of any kind of rainfall currently, though overnight we had some big storms move through. We had some 3-inch rainfalls in places. We have a southeasterly wind flow turning a little bit more easterly today, and you can see the general pattern of those storms is away from the coastline. We do have the heaviest of the rain located to the north along a stalled frontal boundary that'll linger for probably the better half of today, but then start to wash away as we head through the day, and high pressure begins to build in and move a little bit further to the west. And that will help to reduce the rainfall chances by driving in some drier air. Plus, it'll increase this easterly wind flow across the state for at least 3, maybe 4 days, and that will also help to kind of focus what few showers we get closer to the coastline today. So we'll be watching that. A little upper level wave down to the south keeps us a little wetter if you're heading to the Keys. There's the dry air here indicated by blue. In this map, again, remember, redder is wetter in the atmosphere. And the high moisture content air kind of gets thrown back out into the Gulf waters while the drier air kind of filters on in. We will have little periods of moisture slugs, I guess if you can call them, moving through the mid and upper levels of the atmosphere, helping to enhance rainfall chances from day to day. No 2 days are exactly the same. But in general, this drier air will help to trim back our rainfall chances. Still colder waters in the Atlantic, especially off the coast of Africa where our Cape Verde storms originate at this time of year. And that's helping to put a kibosh on any kind of tropical activity. So over the next 7 days, I think we're looking at some pretty quiet conditions. Southeast wind coming in about 10 knots, turns southwest in the afternoon as the sea breeze builds. 2-foot seas, light chop. And the forecast calls for 91 as a daytime high today. Tomorrow about 91 as well. 30% chance of rain showers both of those days. Maybe a little extra moisture comes through on Sunday, enhancing rainfall chance a bit. And then as we head into the next couple of days, we'll start to reduce rainfall chances once again as we move into the beginning of next work week.